Good morning, internet world. I just wanted to show you what we're up to today at Callaway Construction. Today we're in Dell Rapids on Main Street, one of their historic buildings, and we are spraying a spray foam roof coating with an elastomeric topping on top of it. I'll take you for a quick tour through the pump trailer that actually mixes all the spray foam up. Oh, it gets pretty loud in here, so I'm just going to take one through. So this is that red barrel right there and that blue barrel right there. Those are our actual product. This is Daniel who's going to be spraying it. There's the pump right there. In the back half of the trailer, actually it's the front half, there's a generator and an air compressor, and basically the whole system's plumbed in together. And that's how we get our roof coating on. So we're up on the roof now. What we're actually working on today is putting a new coating on because this one has about 20 layers. They're not ready to do a new rubber roof, so we're going to spray foam over the top of it, and we're going to put elastomeric coating on it, and that should last for quite a while.